Hi, this is a video on how to use your Philips Zoom overnight whitening kit. First thing you're going to do is right before bed you're going to brush your teeth and floss as normal. Then you are going to load your trays just like this as I'm demonstrating. That is a grain of rice sized dot in each little dot inside your trays. Those are the dosing dots, and if you just fill those up it's just the right amount of gel. Don't worry too much about those back teeth, the molars, because no one can really see them. You're welcome to whiten them if you would like, but if you don't it just means your gels goes a little bit further and you don't really see those back teeth anyway. Once you've popped your gels in all those little dots in your trays, you're going to pop your trays in, wipe away any gel that comes out over the edge of the tray and sits on your gums. We just don't want that gel to sit on your gums overnight, cause any pain, any sensitivity. After that, you're going to sleep in your gels overnight. That's 6 to 8 hours, and they shouldn't bother you at all. In the morning, take your trays out and you're going to rinse them with cold water, not too hot water, otherwise you'll melt your trays, and just give them a gentle brush with your toothbrush, and then also brush your teeth. If you get any sensitivity, you can have a night off or use some sensitive toothpaste either in your trays or just in general, and that'll just take the edge of it. What we've given you is 10% and 16% carbamide peroxide. Use your 10% gels first until they're all run out, and then you can move on to the 16. The 16% is a higher concentration, so it gives nicer results, but it can also be just a touch more sensitive. If you do have any problems with your 16% gel, please just come and see us and we'll swap it out for 10%, no problem at all. The old white diet is a thing of the past, so don't worry about that, but just be aware that your teeth will pick up more staining. It will slow down the whitening slightly if you are using a lot of things that are heavy on staining, so that's your tea, your coffee, red wine, curries, smoking, anything really tomatoey. Absolutely have all those things, but just be aware that it might slightly slow down your whitening.